No, Stingo said you know the Prophet sent me to. I did not see him, but I saw another one. Shadan was like he wants to collect 200,000.
200,000?
200,000, oh.
For what now?
To heal him now.
Too much, but well, you have to do it for your brother now.
You have no choice now.
We?
Yeah, no, so, let's go and meet the Prophet.
Which way?
It's this way now.
We go do am. We go do am. No be to heal people. You know what we dey heal? We go do am.
These people are real prophet.
Take him. Ika one chawai.
Invite them in.
Take him. Hey, Oli.
We are not them now.
Prophet. That they are dancing like a Jackson. Are you sure they can do it?
No, you mention Mundo. Akuko wa mo. Oli. Ika one chawai. Take him. Ika one chawai. Take him.
I don't even understand.
Peace be unto this ground.
Peace
be unto this ground.
Hey, my brother. Don't worry. Just give us 50,000.
We will do it.
We'll do it.
Are you sure you can do it?
Are you doubting?
Don't doubt us.
50,000?
Yes.
Hey, see, if you do this thing well, if you do it well, I'll give you 150.
Take him. Ika one chawai.
God have mercy upon us.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Yes.
Holy! Take him. Ika one chawai. Take him. Ika one chawai.
Jesus!
When I know, people they not tell us say na rest like one con. I want to see meat for body.
God have mercy upon us.
What's really happen?
What Where they go? Come now.
I've been waiting happen.
Now so we see am. Since when the price of rice increase like this, now in the madness starts.
They come a piece. He get piece for one piece. Wait.
No. We will do this.
Now you say we will do it.
And let me not lie. It took about 600 men to tie him down.
600? Why you not tell us things? If like say you tell us, I swear, not be say for run, but like say you tell us.
You know, ask
this man
now.
open mouth. Me I just piss outside that thing.
Rice!
God have mercy upon us.